In construction and project management, a cost-plus contract is a common way to handle pricing. Let's look at how it works. At its core, a cost-plus contract means the buyer pays for all actual project expenses, plus an extra fee for the contractor's profit. The contractor usually adds a percentage on top of the direct costs to cover their overhead and generate profit. You are effectively paying for all the direct inputs, from raw materials to the hourly labor of every person on site. Unlike a fixed-price contract where the total is locked in, Cost Plus offers more flexibility but shifts the financial risk to you. In many scenarios, Cost Plus can be cheaper if the scope is well managed, as there is no premium paid for the contractor's risk. Remember that with this model, the burden of reviewing receipts and invoices falls on you to ensure project costs remain reasonable. Understanding your contract type is essential for project budgeting. Subscribe for more money basics and follow us for the latest guides.